Hey guys, it's Brooke and Mila TNT back here today. Sorry for background noise in advance. Oops, I have to move the front wheel. That is my fan being itself. Yeah, and today, wait, why did you did the, I thought it was we were going to do glass. I thought we were doing glass.
Look at how fast that is. I'm gonna break that.
Are we doing glass? Because I think that looks better.
I don't have that much left.
I have 14, so I think we're good. Okay, I have a lot of this.
Then we get this landing thing on the top, because it looks like a beautiful piece of art. Then I have a door. I'm gonna put a door on it.
Doors are really horrible, and they sometimes make your boat fall over faster.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take that down. You suck. Now we're gonna put this up here.
Okay, oh, I have an idea for the flooring. I have a lot of this.
The almighty.
I have a lot of this stuff, and look at it. It's so pretty.
And then we build up the side.
I don't have any more wood, so you're gonna have to do that.
I only have 6 wood.
So let's do something else then. I have a lot of these. Can you delete that wood piece?
I don't have any more.
Delete the wood then. Delete the wood. Can you delete the wood, please?
All of it?
Yeah, so that it, well, not all of it, but I mean like, in this piece right here. It's kind of annoying. I need to put the glass down there. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna use the rest of mine. Okay, there we go, we're finished that part. Do this on top because I have a lot of it. Delete that one piece, that looks kind of weird.
That's 2 pieces.
Okay, we'll delete them. Just delete that. Put one more down though, like put one there, but I mean just don't put the extra one on top.
Why the hell is it doing that to me?
I don't know. Do you just want me to put something else there? Because I can't fill in the boat all the way when it's doing that. I can only do that because of the wood.
I want to put my seat right here.
Okay.
I get a seat.
Okay,
Look at that. Beautiful.
Okay, let me finish up.
This time, can I press the button?
Yes.
The sailing? Can I
Yeah,
press
just
the
let me
button?
finish. I have to place the seat down. Hey, do you want one of these seats?
What a what?
Do you want one of these?
I don't see none. Yes, please. Can you put mine over here?
Over there? Okay,
Over
you have to
here.
delete
This
your
one,
seat then.
I can't delete that.
Oh, not that, never mind. Okay. Okay, wait, where do you want yours?
Over here. By the way, we have to fix that because there's a hole. I got it.
Guys, by the way, leave a like down below, hit our notification bell, and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. To be honest, guys, for a while we're going to be doing Roblox because Mia's computer isn't fixed and we can't get Minecraft, so, and she can't get Minecraft on her dad's computer. So, meaning that, why'd you do that? That looks weird. We need a fancy mode. Delete it. Delete that weird, just that one piece there.
Can we put an egg on it?
don't flipping care. Or you put one egg, I'll put one
We're
egg.
gonna call this the Egg Almighty.
There
Will
we
this
go.
break? Oh, we stacked them. Hey, that's my spot.
Yeah, I mean, like, what are you doing?
Can I press the green button now?
Yeah, wait, let me sit down. Okay, there you go. Now you
Can I
press
press
it.
it now?
This is our Egg Almighty, guys. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I like this boat. We worked really hard.
No drip attack. Can you really?
What? Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, God. What the hell? I like the eggs. They're my favorite colors. Hey, they're our favorite colors. My favorite color is green and your favorite color is blue.
Look at Millie. Look at Millie. Oh, the Egg Almighty broke. Millie.
No. No, it broke in the front. Oh my gosh, look guys, it broke like right there. Oh my god, again, sorry for the fan, it's really annoying. But I can't turn it off.
Look at listen.
Okay. Noise. Uh-oh. Our eggs almost broke.
The eggs are holding up quite well.
Yeah. I love them, they're super pretty under. If you guys have any game suggestions, leave them down below. Because we would be eager to do your suggestions. Because Bloxburg wouldn't work.
I need to do my makeup. I feel ugly.
Do your makeup in the morning. You are not ugly now. And it'll rub off at night.
The crappiness.
You know it's gonna like rub off tonight, and then you're gonna have to do it again in the morning. Mila.
Yeah?
It's gonna rub off in the morning, and then you're gonna have to do it again. It's gonna rub off at night.
No. Oh, they're lasers.
No, I think that's... Oh yeah, it is lasers. No, they're arrows, like huge arrows, or spears, or something.
Yeah, they're arrows. We made it farther than we did before.
Yeah. Oh, God, I'm gonna die first. What the? It just put us backwards.
Did we go backwards?
Yeah, it just made us go backwards. Like, flipped us crazy and made us go backwards. Oh, great, and Candy, I hate this so much.
I got Millie again.
Great, you're gonna torture that cat.
You butthole.
Oh my god, it's trying to break our eggs.
My foot. You're gonna fall off my bed, stupid.
Hopefully just one. Okay, yeah, this one's just a normal rock one.
Can you not build until I come back?
Yeah, I won't. Okay, guys, Mila has to go. I don't know what she's doing. She'll be right back. Oh my goodness, what is going on? Explosions and he died. And I don't even know how I'm still alive. But we're gonna call it luck.
Hey, can you be quiet again for a little bit?
Yeah, but look. Oh, right, you can't see because you died.
That's 42.
Oh, that's good.
I'm gonna open... Oh, it's 45.
Where do you have to go?
Downstairs.
For what?
To get my snack. I'm hungry. It's a banana split.
Okay, just leave me upstairs.
No, I'm taking my phone because my mom keeps getting mad at how loud it is.
Oh. Wait, your mom's home? Oh, I finally died. Okay, I won't build. Okay. Okay, guys, that was just another short video for today, so yeah.
I found another egg.
Oh, that's awesome. And I guess we'll see.
Always at that one.
I guess we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye 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 bye.